All right, got the transom fabricated. Getting ready to drop it in the Starcraft Chieftain. We're ready to go, guys. I had an old brush. I was doing some house paint that was gray, and it got a little gray on in the resin, but no big deal. We're sealed up. So I'm getting ready to drop this baby in, and I'll get a hoist this weekend so we can put a motor on this thing. Probably gonna take the motor off of the Starcraft Star Chief and put it on this one for the time being, and I'll retire the Star Chief for a while. Just back that on up. So stay tuned.